Hello! Today, we here at Spanish Leather Coffee Company would like to show you how we make an espresso and tonic, or a spro and tonic, whatever the kids call it these days. The espresso and tonic is a refreshing, slightly sweet, slightly bitter drink perfect for summer. Let's get started. First, you're going to need some ice. For this glass, we're using 4 cubes. Next, some simple syrup. Now, this is an optional step, but it really helps to mellow out the espresso. You could use vanilla syrup, but here we're just using a 1/4 ounce of 1-to-1 simple. Now we'll need 6 ounces of tonic water. You're going to notice that I only pour about 5 ounces, and that's because in an earlier clip, I spilled all of the tonic water on the table. Be careful pouring this because it really wants to bubble up. And now, the good stuff. We're using 2 ounces of our Spanish Leather Coffee Company espresso blend, a rich, slightly fruity dark roast. Again, be careful. This wants to bubble up. Now we'll take a lemon peel, which you're going to see me struggle with. Can't really prepare for these kinds of things. There we go. It looks like I'm kind of starting to get it. And then express some of those lemon oils over the top and stick it in your drink. Now we take an environmentally friendly metal straw, give it a stir, and now we're going to taste it. Let's see how it is. Ooh, that's refreshing. Nice and fruity, slightly sweet, a little bitter from that tonic. This is a great drink.